Learn easily and perform elegantly with Handpan Class. Handpan Class First Book. Hello everyone, I'm a handpan instructor. Welcome to the first session of Handpan Class. Here we are to learn handpan in a very easy method because we want to have fun with our instruments. But don't forget, to get a good result, have a practice every day. About 1 hour is okay. Our handpans are, consist of 2 shells. Okay, take a look at it. The numbers be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When you sing Handpan Class, you have to hit the note with your left hand. And when you sing Handpan Class, it means that you have to hit the note with your right hand. Yes, you can see 2 numbers, 1, 4. 1, 4 is called time signature. It's called a bar. And the lines that make them are called bar lines. Have the notes? Yes, you can see crochet note. Now open your books and take a look at lesson number 1. The number 4 is telling us that we are going to have crochet notes. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 and 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 2 and 1 and 2. Hello everyone, I'm the handpan instructor. Welcome to the 3rd session of Handpan Class. New points, but before everything, let's have a brief review of last session. Let's watch it together. Yes, you can see 2 numbers, 1, 4. So how? As you see, we have the numbers on the top of each note, and of course, we learned about 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. As you see, time signature is 3, 4 again. Now I think you know about it, yes? Yes, 3 crochet notes in each bar. Okay guys, take a look at the first bar. Yes, it is something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 Yes? So that's great. Now let's start it together. As you see in this lesson, we have 2 bells. So we are going to learn 2 new points. About the first new point, as you see here we have 2 numbers on the top of the notes. Yes, it's nothing special, it's nothing hard, but beautiful. What should we do with it? Now it's time to go and watch the video that I played in low speed. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just this. Try it please. Don't play it here and don't play it on the notes. Just here on the body of your handpans. Yes, you have to go and watch the movie that I played this lesson in higher tempo. Let's go for it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. to the 12th session of Handpan Class. Yes, it is the last session of this season. So now let's do it on our handpans. Are you ready? Let's go for it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, I feel so pleasure to be with you. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for following me, and hope to be together again in 2 other seasons to be a professional handpan player. So guys, hope to see you soon. So long.